welcome back. This is the third video of the OpenGL on the Raspberry Pi 2.1 tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a very short video here, and this is how to do simple key presses in OpenGL. We're going to be doing simple key presses. We're not going to be doing special keys. There are special key hooks. There's special key hooks. There's key ups, key downs, stuff like that. We're just going to do a key press. We'll cover in passing the other key presses in future videos. This will show you how they work. So before we do anything, let's move, see this GL load identity? Let's move that down at the end of the display function. That's where it technically should be, because you load identity at the end. After you draw things, then you're reset back to the original spot. That's how you're supposed to do it. There's no rule, but that's generally what you're supposed to do. And sometimes that's not what you want to do. Sometimes you do need to have identity in other spots. So we are going to do key presses. So we are going to do, this function will be the glut keyboard function callback. So it'll be glut keyboard func, and then you put in your function name. We'll do key normal pressed. Okay. And then we'll go up here and we will make a new function. Key normal pressed. And this takes in 3 parameters. This takes in unsigned char key, that is the key you press, the ASCII code, int x and int y. Int x and int y are the x and y coordinates of your mouse when you press this key. So let us do this. Let's do a switch statement. Switch. There are many ways of doing this, but just do a switch statement. We're not doing anything special. Case 27. Case 27. Remember, 27 is the escape key. So if you press the escape key, this code will run. Let's just have the escape key close the window. Let's do exit 0. Break. And then put in your default, right? Okay. Let us build. And here we are. We have the window. We're going to press the escape key. And as you can see, it closes with no memory errors or anything like that. We now have key presses, very simple key presses in OpenGL. Again, I will show you more complicated key presses further along as we go through the tutorial. The next video, I think, we'll be doing rotation. How do you rotate the scene? How do you rotate your view in OpenGL? And we can use the arrow keys for that. So we can do special key presses and rotation all at the same time. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.